Sure. So now, relational acumen. So when we talk about relational acumen, we are now talking about communication skills. So this is now X. X1 is the communication skills as we know them. Our ability to convey information and ideas to other individuals and groups in a variety of what? In a variety of situations. So what are we saying? We are saying that there's not much change. There isn't much changes here. What we used to see is what we'll still continue to see. There will be communication skills marks dedicated to your presentation, layout, and so on. So that is that. And that then gets us to the end of our evening. So what I want to leave you with is this homework. So it's a previous ITC question, but I think from what we were talking about today, just not believing that the problem that we are thinking is the problem, it's really the problem. It's something that we have to what? We have to explore quite a lot in detail. So I want you then to then go and work through this. And it's about 2 full slides. And then one, I didn't give you the required. We're going to talk about the required on day 2. But this will then be the classic example from a math perspective on critical thinking, integrative thinking, problem solving, business acumen, as well as communication skills. So it's a little bit excessive here because that's about 7 marks there. But I just want you to now be aware that when you go look at this, you then look at it a little bit different. Then we are going to then talk and unpack it a little bit more on Thursday, and then also unpack it in the context of accounting, and just then do a little bit of more breakdown of how you now need to think about the technical. The technical, yes, they're still there, but I just want you to then have this value creation kind of thinking into it, so that when you go into the technical math, accounting, tax, and audit, you then have a deeper sense around it. But all right, this is where we'll then leave it. So I think just to confirm, did you get an email today? Because if you got an email, I'll ask the team to just send you on the same email address. I see some are saying that they've not been able to access the SharePoint. It says, okay, if you got an email, that you should be sorted, no stress. So there's some that didn't get the email. No. All right. Where is the email? Yeah, so we're gonna do this as homework. We will start with it on Thursday. We'll start it with it on Thursday. How did you get the link? Just to confirm. Because I want to just make sure how the team got you. So you are there on Viva. But if you are there, then the link should be available, right? Let me see. Yeah, if you got the email, don't worry. Then the team will then send it through. But if you didn't get the email, you can private chat. What do you call it? You can private chat Vanessa, and then she will get your email and just sort you out. Because if you're on Viva, then that's perfect. You can reach out to her. All right. Yeah, but if you got the email, the team will send it. You'll get it tomorrow morning. And then if you're in Viva, you can reach out to Vanessa and then she'll assist. That will solve the issue for everyone, right? Just to confirm. All good. All right. I don't see any chats. No worries. So we're gonna have discussion. So we're gonna start with this. So just work through it, highlight, ask some of the questions you're gonna ask. So for me, it is just to start getting the thinking process right. It's not necessarily about the answer, the thinking process, that were you believing this? What did you think was the problem with this? And so on. So that we start embedding the need to start thinking about all these pervasive skills. Remember, they are founded on something. All right, that's it for tonight. Have a good one. We'll see each other on Thursday evening. Cheers. Have a good night.